Christmas. Mouthful.
Cheese.
No, I'm not taking pictures. This isn't a picture, this is video.
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
I'll be festive.
Yes, be very, but go. Are you gonna go get more festive?
Hey, Merry Christmas.
There's plenty of stuff to get festive on.
I know I'm about to have some festive hors d'oeuvres.
Let's see what I got. Oh, well, look at here, festival flowers. Perfect to get festive on.
Oh. What is that, dear?
I'm about to find out. Marilyn.
Yes.
What's this?
It's artichoke dip from our wedding.
Ooh.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh,
Minus,
really?
yeah.
It really, it
Has a
stayed.
kick.
No, it kept well.
Well, yeah, your grandmother froze it. It had a lot of.
That is one
we
smart
drank
lady.
off I know it.
It's freeze. You can freeze anything.
That's right. Have y'all tried that?
No, what is that?
I don't even know how you
This one. Turn that off.
Well,